Mm. This is King. He is not a normal cat. He lives out. Not in the forest, but around here. Still, he is a cute little cat. Won't let anything get in his way but pets. He hates pets. He really does. JP could tell you a story that I told about when I was writing about him. But he lost his color. Don't ever... Oh, there's a tick. A tick just got on you. It's the boy. Ah, you fool. Oh wait, that was just dust. Okay, so... Whoa. Talk about grabbing your tail much. Grab his tail. Look at those pink paws. Look at those pink paws. And these sweet paws. But this cat is enjoyable. But that's all.